Hello, students. In this video, we are diving into the exciting world of prepositions. Let's learn together. Prepositions are words that show the relationship between nouns, pronouns, or phrases with other elements in a sentence. Now let's learn the uses of prepositions. They are used to indicate the location of objects. They are used to denote the timing of events. They are used to indicate the direction of movement. They are used to denote possession or ownership. They are used in comparisons. Let's learn the types of prepositions. First is simple prepositions. These prepositions are words that indicate the relationship between direction or place in a sentence. For example, the painting is hanging on the wall. Then, compound prepositions. These prepositions are made up of two or more words. For example, he stood in front of the class. Lastly, we have phrase prepositions. These prepositions are word groups that show the relationship between two things in a sentence by acting as a single preposition in the sentence. For example, the keys are under the mat. Now, let's look into the commonly confused prepositions at versus on at. We will meet at the cafe. On, we are trekking on the hills. Under versus below under. The cat is hiding under the bed. Below, the fish swim below the surface. Between versus among between. The ball is between John and Sarah. Among, share the pastry among the three of you. Now it's your turn to answer. Fill in the blank with the correct preposition. Geiger Pizza, they also serve pasta at the restaurant. Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 5 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.